Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at Apple's latest budget-friendly powerhouse, the brand new iPhone 17e. If you've been waiting for an affordable iPhone that still feels modern, powerful, and future-proof, this might be the one. Apple has packed serious upgrades into the 17e this year, from performance and storage to camera and wireless features, all while keeping it positioned as the more accessible option in the lineup. Let's start with the design. The iPhone 17e features a beautiful 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and everything looks crisp, whether you're scrolling social media, watching videos, gaming, or browsing the web. It feels premium in everyday use. Apple also uses an updated ceramic shield front glass, offering improved durability and better resistance against scratches and accidental drops. So while it looks sleek and minimal, it's also built to handle daily life. In terms of colors, the iPhone 17e comes in clean, modern finishes, including black, white, and a soft pink option. Simple, stylish, and very Apple. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where things get exciting. The iPhone 17e is powered by Apple's new A19 chip. That means faster processing, smoother multitasking, and better overall efficiency. Apps launch instantly, switching between tasks feels seamless, and even gaming performance is impressive for a device in this category. Whether you're editing photos, using productivity apps, playing games, or just doing everyday tasks, the phone feels responsive and fluid. It also comes with 8 GB of RAM, which helps with multitasking and future software updates. And one of the biggest upgrades this year is storage. The base model starts at 256 GB, with an option for 512 GB. That's a lot of space for photos, 4K videos, apps, and downloads without constantly worrying about running out. Now let's move on to the camera. The iPhone 17e features a powerful 48-megapixel Fusion rear camera. This means sharper detail, improved low-light performance, and better overall image quality compared to previous entry-level models. For video, you can record in 4K at up to 60 frames per second. That gives you smooth, cinematic footage, perfect for content creators, social media, or just capturing everyday moments in high quality. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel true depth camera. Selfies look sharp and natural, and video calls through FaceTime are clear and detailed. It also supports advanced features like Smart HDR and improved portrait effects. Charging and connectivity have also been upgraded. One of the most welcome additions is full MagSafe support. That means you can use magnetic chargers, wallets, stands, and other accessories easily. Wireless charging feels more convenient and secure with the magnetic alignment. The iPhone 17e also supports fast charging via USB-C, making it quicker to top up your battery when you're in a rush. It's compatible with modern charging standards, making it more versatile than ever before. On the connectivity side, Apple includes its updated modem system for faster and more stable 5G performance. Streaming, downloading, online gaming, and video calls feel smoother and more reliable, even in busy areas. Battery life is designed to comfortably last through a full day of regular use, including browsing, messaging, streaming, and social media. And with fast charging support, you can quickly power up whenever needed. So overall, the iPhone 17e delivers strong performance, a high-resolution camera system, generous storage options, modern charging features, and the smooth iOS experience, all in a sleek and durable design. It's a great option for anyone upgrading from an older iPhone or switching into the Apple ecosystem for the first time, especially if you want modern features without paying flagship prices. And that's a full look at the new iPhone 17e. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.